One of them came down. He was put on a stretcher and put in the ambulance.
Like, you're not gonna freeze them to death, are you? Shame of you, shame! No humanity, shame! Let them in! Let them be their families!
It is freezing out here in Minnesota. I'll get the name of the town that we're in. But this has been a standoff since 10 a.m. There were workers on the roof, working on this house here. They were on the roof here. So ICE has been here. I don't know if they have a warrant. We'll try and talk to some people.
He's the one in charge?
Well, he's the one that has the autograph.
You just say you just got it right now. You just got his name right now?
Yes, he has criminal records and stuff, and he admitted he's here illegally. I told him we can verify him. Why would he run if he's not here illegally? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he's had that paper. He's sat and talked to him about it 20 minutes ago.
We have both of them. Edgar, Giovanni, Chicasa.
You just wrote that right now.
Oh, but we have all the records pulled up in our information. So you're gonna tell them to get down? It's the same thing. They're gonna get down either way.
You're gonna have to call. You're gonna have to call the ambulance to get them down.
You want to convince them to get down?
So Alex Faulkner is coming. He's a state representative. He's on his way.
Yeah, I know.
So,
I know. I'm not.
He knows. No. We want to make sure that that's legitimate because.
Yeah, obviously. No, he looks like he just did that right now.
Right.
That's what.
They're printing them off.
Yeah, I know.
We have to write the name.
We're not dumb, man.
How much? It's the same thing. That's all we do. If they're here, not here illegally, we already know. We're under record check and everything.
We know from all the information.
You don't know, man.
Well, we're gonna wait for the attorney then. She said
The attorney can't do anything. If they're illegally, what are they gonna do? They have to find the case.
But they're here. They're fine.
I'm talking to him.
Oh, okay. Can I ask?
No.
Can I join the conversation?
No.
Yeah, you can.
I'm only here for him. So you're not gonna help me out?
So
Did you want to come down?
They filed for asylum.
You talk Spanish. You obviously talk Spanish, man.
Two of them. One of them came down. He was put on a stretcher and put in the ambulance.
Never too late. Shame. Listen to the whole shame of those guys. This kid. Really? She has no hat. Shame. God does not want you to do this. History doesn't want you to do this. God does not want you to do this. God does not want you to do this.
You can see our faces, let's see yours.
God does not want liberty and justice for all. Not make my community any safer.
Come on, clear. Back up. Come right through there. Fucking Nazis. Hold on. Fucking fascists. Fuck off. Get out of here. Get out of here. You're not welcome here. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, watch your backside, guys.
Back up. Now.
Please. Let me just get through and talk to them. That's it. We're just trying to make things like, you're not gonna freeze them to death, are you? Come on. Like, we don't want to freeze them to death. Come on. Hey, don't push it like that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You can't do that. You report him. You report him. Don't do that. Don't do that, though. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on, guys. Guys, come on. Don't move back. The line is over.
Not okay. He pushed me. He pushed me.
I'm so sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
This is all it seems like.
This is family. This is their family. Do you see what you're doing? This is what you're doing. This is what you're doing. Let them in. Let them see their family. Let them in.
Get the fucking shit out of here.
All right, so that was Marcos's family. They were trying to get in there to go and talk to him. Agents pushed him back. As you saw, there was a baby here. No regards. They don't care about people here or who's here, young or old. You know, they're ready to use their pepper spray. They all have their pepper spray in their hands.
With phones and whistles.
She just wants to bring him a blanket and they won't let her. She just wants to bring him a fucking blanket. All she asked, and they think it's funny, they were fucking laughing about it.
Van a subir por nosotros, dice. Nos estamos resistiendo, pero el frío es demasiado. Está mucho frío. Y no traen una orden para arrestarnos.
Shame of you, shame! No humanity, shame! 1992, it never happened this way in Somalia. Shame! Shame! Shame!
It shouldn't happen this way
Shame
in America
of you,
either.
shame! You don't want to give the blanket. No humanity. What are you gonna do? You make kids born and raised here afraid. Shame of you. Shame. Kids, they believe here. Even they don't know my home. They're afraid to leave the house. Shame of you. Shame. Shame.
All right, so it looks like somebody's handing something up to him. A blanket? Okay. So they are handing a blanket up to him after 3 hours of being out here in the cold with nothing. All right, so federal agents are leaving.
Criminal.
Within 100 miles from the border. What the fuck are you guys doing here in St. Paul? You guys should be in St. Paul.
Y'all shouldn't even be up here, bro. Get him out of here.
Are you just, if you love your country, I just want to see your face. See your face, boss.
If you guys are scared of your job, take your face off.
I told you, get down. Like that. We are not criminals. We're not criminals. We show our faces. We are not criminals.
They can't catch the criminals, so they gotta get the hard-working people. They don't know how to do their job. This guy's recording success. They don't even respect American citizens. You guys show us no respect, so you guys get no respect. Get the fuck out of here. Let's go. Vámonos, vámonos.
Why are you doing this, huh?
Chinga tu madre, puto. Chinga tu madre, güey. Chica madre.
Bye. Fuck you.
Nuestros, pues yo creo que no se puede ni mover. Y ha de tener un alto grado de hipotermia. El frío para la gente que no está en Minnesota. Y aquí está Marco con todos ustedes. Ha bajado. Lo vemos. Marco, vas a estar bien. Vas a estar, Marco. Vas a estar bien. ¿Cómo te sientes? Mándale un mensaje a tu familia que te está viendo en este momento en vivo.
Estoy bien, gracias a todos ustedes.
Y vamos a... No puede caminar. Yo creo que hay que ayudar a cargarlo, por favor, señores.
We're not gonna let them. We're not gonna trust them.
I don't know. I think a lot of people are there.
It's really cold here. It's below zero. I had an issue before while I was filming. My fingers were turning white. I'm starting to get feeling in them now, so we're okay. But that's what's going on here. All right, everyone. That's what, if you can see my face, my beard is frozen. All right, so we're gonna wrap up here. If you can, support us. It's not easy work. It's brutal, but yeah, we do it because it's important.